Hey everyone, and welcome to the Nerdblock August 2014 unboxing video. And actually, a quick unbox with a friend, so it's a bit already a bit open. But yeah, I will also be doing the Loot Crate and Super Loot videos and a comparison video altogether to see if you can find something you like. But other than that, let's get straight into it. So off the bat, we have the Batman DC Universe #1 figure from the same line as the Batgirl video I will upload in a few, well, upload after this video, I guess. But yeah, other than that's the first thing that comes with it. So I'll do a proper video on that later. There is a Bravest Warrior keychain, which I've never really heard of. But yeah, that's in there. Looks alright. Looks like any bad. These mini what are minikins, minifigures. You get series 2. So let's get this. I'll grab them out and pour one for the white time. There's one, and the light. Oh, the bouncy. That's why. So yeah, there's one. There's this yellow looking karate guy, I guess, and a chubby pirate peg leg. So that's like for you. And oh, there's a little card in there. Hang on a sec. I dropped on the floor. Yeah. So must be this guy, and that's this guy, I guess. So yeah, they're them guys. Probably gonna ever use them, but they're there. I did the t-shirt last, so I can show it here. And there is a double pack of Doctor Who magazine from Nerdblock. So this is the 10th Doctor, and the back is the 11th Doctor. But there's 2 magazines inside, so you can have a look around, I guess. And here's a card that shows you some. So there's a quick look at the t-shirt. It's like a Pokeball thing, which looks really cool. The Garbage Pail Kids, I have Bravest Warriors, and then the 10th Doctor magazines. And then there's the Funko Pops at the front. And I'm kind of disappointed the Batman looks nothing like that. Well, it sort of does, but it's a different Batman. So yeah, that's kind of annoying, but Pop's pop, ain't it? So yeah. So here's a t-shirt. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, so there's a Pokeball series. Nice. That's pretty nice. But yeah, it's like a dark navy blue t-shirt, and that is a really cool. It's a pretty cool t-shirt actually. So that's pretty good. Yeah, that's the box. So all in all, I guess it's alright. Sort of disappointed I didn't get the exact Batman one, like I saw on another American one. But it's not that bad actually. So I'll put a link in the comparison videos anyway. And yeah. So like, subscribe for more videos to come. And I'm pretty much going to be doing over the year just videos of different boxes you can get to compare them, to which one's the best one for you guys. So thanks for that, and I'll see you later. Bye.